Bosch 873-394-1842. Main control board assembly. OEM replacement for BOVA 65-ton outdoor split heat pump. Description: the Bosch 873-394-1842 main control board assembly is a genuine OEM replacement component designed specifically for Bosch BOVA 65-ton outdoor split system heat pumps. This control board acts as the brain of the HVAC system, managing communication between key components, regulating temperature control, and ensuring efficient heating and cooling performance. Built by Bosch Thermotechnology, this board delivers reliable operation, precise system control, and seamless compatibility with original equipment. Whether replacing a failed board or restoring system functionality, this part ensures optimal performance and long-term durability. Key features: genuine OEM Bosch replacement part. Designed for BOVA 65-ton outdoor split systems. Control system operation, sensors, and communication. Ensures efficient heating and cooling performance. Durable construction for long service life. Plug-and-play compatibility for proper installation. Common problems, signs you need replacement. HVAC system not turning on or responding. Intermittent operation or random shutdowns. Error codes or communication faults. Outdoor unit not syncing with indoor unit. Fan or compressor not functioning properly. Burn marks or damaged components on the board. Compatible brands: Bosch, Bosch Thermotechnology, Bosch HVAC systems, specifically designed for Bosch BOVA series heat pump systems. Replacement part numbers: 873-394-1842, OEM, L8381, reference part number. Compatibility: BOVA 65-ton outdoor split system heat pump, Bosch IDS/inverter ducted split systems, select models. Price and buying option. Prices typically range from $650 open box to around $1,100 plus new, depending on condition and seller. Check the current price and availability using the link in the description below.